Did you do that last year?
I did, but last year we actually had tunes because it wasn't raining out. It was sunny last year.
Okay.
So unfortunately because of the weather, but we still got the whole Earth Day party going on. Check it out. We've got eco-friendly, organic cocktails going on. There's so many things that the hotel is doing to be sort of organic and going green. They've changed out their toilet paper here in some of the restaurants, making it biodegradable. I mean, they've done a lot of things with compost. But on a different note, things that people can do at their home, Marcia Grisby's joining us with Home Depot. We're talking about sort of new products for 2010. What are we seeing to get people to go green in their house?
What Home Depot has started is Martha Stewart Clean Products. They're all biodegradable products, made all out of recyclable products. What these products are for people that have allergens, for people that have problems in their home. They are no artificial colors, no artificial odors. It's all natural.
And then you also have these. I love these. These are fabulous lights that are, again, solar powered. So a lot of things are going in this direction from the sun, which people can turn in and out, save them a ton of money. And it's just real simple. And then there's also the paint. But there's things that parents can teach their kids as well. I want to show this fabulous art project. And Jen, tell me what school this is from, because this is just recyclable cans the kids did, and they made a fabulous tortoise.
Yeah, it's a desert tortoise, and the children at the Meadows School had a sustainable art project, so they made this desert tortoise, and they also made a scorpion out of plastic water bottles. 400 plastic water bottles, kind of representing how much waste there is when we drink water out of water bottles.
Which is crazy. All right, one last thing real quick. I got to show you this. It's the My Cocoa paper. M&M's World is launching today on the strip, and again, it's eco-friendly paper. Explain it real quick.
Exactly. It's made out of 70% cocoa bark paper and 30% recycled paper, handcrafted in Indonesia. It's employing women in Indonesia because it's primarily men who are doing all the work out there with the cocoa and everything. So the cocoa bark is usually just waste, and now they use it to make products, and it helps the economic environment for all the families.
It's so cool how many businesses are